Hey guys, what is going on? Mathew, Tamin here from LearnJoomlaFast.com, where we teach you how to create professional websites without being a professional coder with Joomla. I am super excited to give away this incredible extension. Starting this month, April, I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways. So you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notifications. So anytime that a new video comes out, you're going to be the first person to get access to it. So to kick things off, this awesome giveaway, I am going to be giving away a pro version of the SP Pagebuilder extension by Joomshaper. And they said even your grandma can build a website. So maybe I need to start targeting grandmas now how to create websites. But let's take a look at some of the features here. Pagebuilder is one of my go-to extensions that I use. A lot of people ask me, when you want to create a website, what do you do? Well, this is where I begin, because Pagebuilder, in my opinion, is a really high-end, high-quality website extension that you need to use. You don't have to be a coder in order for you to create websites. Plus, I've already created hundreds of tutorials that covers everything about how to utilize Pagebuilder. So let's take a look at some of the basic features that it has. You can build things a lot faster, the coding is clean, and it comes with pre-designed templates, which we're going to take a look at in just a minute. And it has 40 plus add-ons. That means that you're going to get everything, all the add-ons that you need in order for you to add different things like a block number, carousel, button group, clients, countdown, and the list goes on and on. Now, all these add-ons, they're everything that you need in order to customize or edit your page. So let's take a look at some of the features here. They have tons of features. It's responsive, so that means that people can be able to access the website that you create on a mobile device, the tablets, the iPad, and all things like that. So that's really great. And you can add it in real time on the front end, which we're going to take a look at in just a second. It has ready-made sections that you can be able to plug in and place. So if you don't have the time to build a website, you just activate the ready-made sections and you can be able to get access to it. And it has so many more features that I'm just going through here, that when you have some time, you can head over to Joomshaper.com and take a look at this awesome extension. It gives you a lot more details. And let's take a look now at some of the pre-made templates. What the pre-made templates are is these guys have done an incredible job to save you even more time and money. Once you get access to Pagebuilder Pro, which I'm going to be giving away to you, you can use any one of these templates, any one of them. So if you need some design ideas, you're not sure where to start, and you just don't, you sometimes want that creative inspiration, this here is a great way for you to get access to. So once you get access to Pagebuilder Pro, you can choose any one of this as a starting point of your website. So let's say you want to create a music website, but you don't know exactly where to start. Well, they have already designed a pre-made template that you can get access to, and you can edit. So this one right here, to edit, you click on edit, and the same thing for the rest of these. You can scroll through, and they're always adding more stuff. So that means that you're going to get access to more high-end, high-quality designs that'll cost you hundreds of dollars to pay someone else to get it done for you. So right now, to edit is very simple. You click here, you can edit different text, different sections, different images. Super easy to do so. Plus, I have a bunch of tutorials that covers exclusively how to utilize Pagebuilder. And now let's take a look at websites that were created with SP Pagebuilder. So you can see at the bottom here, Learn Joomla Fast is 100% designed with Pagebuilder. So if I'm using this for my own site, then it's something I definitely recommend. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and anytime that a new video comes out, you're going to get access to it. Plus, I am going to be selecting one random subscriber to be able to give this to. You're going to get 1 year support updates from Joomshaper, SP Pagebuilder. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to be selected as one of the subscribers that is going to get access to this. So stay on the lookout, because April is going to be a giveaway month. I'm giving away a bunch of extensions, a bunch of different things that are going to help you as you build your websites.